If your partner snores and you keep waking up tired, you need to try this. My husband's snoring was so loud that I could not stay asleep, and every morning I felt dry and exhausted. I bought Heart Seal to help him breathe better at night and reduce the noise, but I ended up using it too. Now he snores less, I sleep more peacefully, and when I use it, my mouth stays closed and I wake up clearer instead of foggy. Now we both use Heart Seal, and our nights feel calmer and more consistent. If your sleep has been messy because of snoring, Heart Seal is the easiest upgrade to try.